As I have told you before, that this side next to me is the center fold. This is for a kindergarten uniform, and you have to draw perpendicular here on my upper right side. Okay, you have to draw one first there, and then you're gonna measure a gap of 1 inch, 3 marks from this one to 3. Okay, and then you get the length of 22 and the figure of 10, and it's like the bust point of 7. This is a requested topic, and please don't feel bad if I'm telling you to learn on how to draft or on how to cut your project, because by this way you can make your own and have your own business out of this. Okay, this is now the full length. Okay, now let's get the shoulder, which is 13. I'll use this blue pen for the front. The shoulder level is, or the shoulder measurement is 13. So this is not the 13. Take the half and put it there. Okay, mark it there until here from the center fold. Okay, and then from the second perpendicular line you measure 2 3/4 from this center fold to here. Then you're going to connect these two to get the front shoulder seam there, and then measure from the second perpendicular line to 3 inches going down. I am basing the neck hole for the size of the child's head, because this one is having no opening at the back or in front. Now the next thing to do is to connect this mark to here with the use of your French curve. Okay, do it this way there. Okay, now in getting the mark of the back shoulder seam, you have to do this way. Follow this inclined line here and mark your basic line to the neck hole, this one. Okay, and measure the distance of this one to transfer it here to locate the back shoulder seam. Okay, there. Then you have to connect this one to that mark. This is now your back shoulder seam, and you have to get or mark the neck hole with the use of your pen and your French curve. Connect from this mark from the first perpendicular line to the second one there. Okay, this is now your back. The black pen represents the back, the blue pen represents the front. Okay, she didn't give the measurement of the chest. I'm gonna base it from the waist, so I need to divide that measurement into 4 equal parts, so that is 25 divided into 4. That is 6 1/4. I think it's small, so that is on the waist. This is the level of your waist there. That is 25. She told me that there is already the ease of the measurement, okay? But it seems it's tight. You see, this is just, I am just basing the pattern or the one I'm making from the measurement she gave. Now I need to adjust. So from the chest, you see this shoulder is so broad, okay? I'm just basing the measurement from the shoulder, and she didn't even have the hip measurement. Actually, I was asking hip measurement, but she didn't give. And then the hip. I'm just basing the measurement from the shoulder. This one is too broad. Still, this one is like too narrow if I'm going to base from the waist which she gave, okay? I made the measurement of the hip as 32 inches only. Okay, so this is now our from the waist part, you're going down for 2 inches for the pocket level. Okay, there. Make the pocket like 4 inches and square here. Make it like 4.5 by 4 inches. Now I'm gonna trace this marks to get the back and show it to you on how to make the collar. Okay, okay, this is now your back, and I'm going to cut the back from this pattern. Okay, this is back, this is front, this is back, and this blue is front. Okay, that is the allowance already for the fabric. Okay. Okay, this is how you pattern the collar. It will come from here. You have to measure the width of your collar. I'll do it by pencil now. The width of the collar is 2.5. It will come this way. Okay, but if you want to get the pattern of your collar, you have to join this together. Okay, will be like this. Now let's proceed with the pattern of the sleeves. This is the center fold, and draw one perpendicular line here. Get the sleeve length, which is 5. Okay, there. Then go down for 3 inches here. Okay, then draw this there. Then get the length, or draw from this length or okay, get the center and cut a bit here. Okay. Little only. So this part will serve as your front. Okay, this area which I cut. Okay.